Good evening, Sir Lee. My name is Justin C. Custodio, and I will be performing the return demonstration for the complete bed bath. So the complete bed bath is a full body hygiene procedure done for patients confined to bed and unable to bathe themselves. For the objectives, first is to cleanse the skin, to remove dirt, sweat, and germs, lowering the infection risk. Second is to boost circulation, improve skin health, and make the patient comfortable and relaxed. And lastly is to assess skin condition and overall physical status during care. Next is for the safety and security measure. First is adjust the bed height and use a proper body mechanics to prevent nurses injury. So assuming that we already assess the bed into a appropriate height, which is the center of the gravity, then keep the patient cover at all times to protect privacy and warmth. This is also to avoid patient's chill. Next is maintain safe water temperature and secure side rails to avoid burns and falls. So for the pre-procedural preparation, first is wash your hands. Assume that I have already washed my hands. Introduce yourself to the client and identify the client's identity. Explain what you are going to do, why is it necessary, and how the client can cooperate. Then gather the necessary equipment and provide privacy. So for the equipment, we are gonna use the basin, lukewarm water, soap, washcloth, towels, bath blanket, clean gown, clean linens, and gloves, and laundry bag. Also bedpan, or urinal, and comb. For the bedpan is only if a client is gusto siya mag-urinate or mag-defecate. So let us now proceed for the procedure proper. So may gabi, sir. Ako si Justin C. Custodio, and ako yung nurse, student nurse from Bukidnon State University from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So, pwede ba na ako maasin yung pangalan, sir? Sir, sa'yo yung pangalan, sir? Aaron basta. Check lang ako itong sponsor, ha? Okay. So karon sir, mag-perform data o complete bed bath to ensure nga kanang wala tay mabiling nga mga germs tong lawas, facilitate tong circulation para wala tay complications, and pag ground middle po niya, pumunta sir and fresh para comfortable pagka sir. Okay ba sir? Okay sir, during this procedure, we will be touching certain body parts para mas ma-facilitate pag nato kaayo ang team niya na sir. So okay ra ba? Sir, if napakay further clarifications, sir? How about ng mga pangutanan, sir? Wala ka pa. Okay, so if wala na, let us proceed for the procedure proper. First is assess the client's ability in bathing process as well as personal preferences. Review the patient's chart for any limitation in physical activity. The rationale is to plan safe, suitable care based on needs and limits. Then put on gloves. This is to prevent contact with the bodily fluids.
Wala ko uniform ni Justin, mangutanang sa practical.
Okay, so we'll now put on the gloves. Sir, okay ra ba ito karon, sir? Wala ra po tayo gibating ang discomfort, sir. Kato, sakit, napangati. So, thank you. So, first is assess the clients. So, sir, napakay mga preferences para sa mga sabon, sir. Nabatay certain sabon na allergic ta. But, okay. Sa imong gusto nga ka ng sir, like, okay, sa imo ang kanang maligamgam na tubig, sir, or gusto ka bumna, or to you. And raise the other side rails sa opposite. Assume that we have already raised the side rails sa pikas, and ito nag-lower ang side rails. There is a near sa kuha. This is to allow easy access and while keeping the opposite side safe. Next is loosen the top cover, place a bath blanket over the patient, and then remove the top sheet while the patients hold the bath blanket in a place. If linen is to be used, fold it over to the chair and place the soiled linen in the laundry bag. sir, magbutang ko sa imong top blanket, sir, ha, para dili ka mabasa unya during sa atong pagkuan sa atong procedures. Ako, Ivan, ha, confirm ako, sir, ha? Sir, palihog lang kung gunit sa blanket, sir. Alam, pabili ako, ha? Alam, sir, go lang yun sila, sir, ha, para hindi ma-expose mo sa mga kuan. Since this is a soiled linen, I will no longer use this. Next is remove the patient's gown but keep the top sheet in place. This is to allow access on keeping the patients covered while maintaining integrity and privacy. Next is fill the basin with sufficient amount of lukewarm water between 42 degrees Celsius to 46 degrees Celsius. Change as necessary throughout the bath. This is to ensure safe, comfortable cleaning. So sir, i-remove na ko imong panha, imong lab gown, ay imong panha, imong gown hospital gown. Assuming that I have already removed the hospital gown, let us now prepare the basin. So the basin would be this. Assume that this is a lukewarm water for about 43 to 46 degrees Celsius. Then lay the bath blanket under the client's head. This is to keep the bedding dry during the face wash. Hey sir, sumabutang sa kuong bath blanket sa inyong ulo sir no, para dili kayo mabasa ang kuan inyong unlan sir during sa ato ang facial wash. Okay sir, okay, 1, 2, 3. Pero comfortable at sir, wala ata mag-meditation. Sir, pwede nyo buyan ng cancer, blanket sir. Next is wet the washcloth and fold it like a mitt on your hands so there are no loose ends. This is to improve grip and cleaning efficiency. Next is wash the client's eyes. Do not use soap. Wipe one eye from the inner canthus to the outer canthus. This is to prevent irritation and avoid spreading dirt. So, okay, so wash from the inner canthus to the outer canthus. So, sir, magkuan ko ha, magkuan ako sa inyo mga guys. Next is step 14. Bathe the client's face, neck, and ears. Use a soap in the patient's face. Depends on the patient's preferences. So the patient's verbalizing wala siya preferences, so safeguard will be used during the procedure. Sir, ako ikon ha. Next is expose the forearm of the patient and place the towel lengthwise under it. Lift the patient's arm using a long, firm strokes. Wash the arms and axilla from distal to proximal. Rinse and dry. This is to promote circulation and biovenous return and keep the bed the bed dry. Sir, ako po ang kamusta ha? Sir, magtapon ako sir ha. Bigla na ako sir if ka na nga kay mga discomfort kay pwede ra ka na to siya undangon sir if ka nang di na tolerable sir ha. So, place a folded towel on the bed next to the patient's hands and put the basin on it. Soak the patient's hands in the basin. Wash, rinse, and dry the hands. This is to soften skin for easier cleanse and protect linens. Repeat the steps 15 and 16 on the arm near you. Ensure full cleansing of both arms. And assuming that I have already done the other hand, I will now perform the hand near me. Listen. Next is fold the top sheet down to the patient's pubic area. Spread the towel alongside the chest and abdomen. For the step 18, fold the top sheet down to the patient's pubic area. Spread the towel alongside the chest and abdomen. Sir, magtrapo ko sa inyong abdomen, sir, ha? Ayan. Fresh na, sir. So, magtrapo na ko, sir, ha? Ito, sir. Next is wash, rinse, and dry the chest and abdomen under cover. Pay special attention to the skin folds under the breast of the female patients. Carefully inspect and cleanse the umbilical folds and creases. Sir, mag-wash po ito sa inyo. Okay. Kung gusto ka sir, pwede ka ng kuhaan. Next is bring up the top sheet to cover the patient and remove the bath towel. This is to recover quickly to preserve privacy and warmth. Next is assist the patient to turn to her or his side with the back towards you. This rationale is fully access the back and buttocks. So, sir, pwede pa na ko ka ipatakilid, sir? Patakilid na, sir, ha? Sir, tayo ko ang sa akong kamay, sir. Kasi take cross. Kasi lang po, sir. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Care, sir? Next is spread the towel lengthwise alongside the bed. This is to protect the bed linens from getting wet. Sir, mabutan ng towel, sir. Para di mabasa yung bed. Next is expose the entire back, then soak, rinse and dry from the nape over the shoulder down to the side around the buttocks and posterior upper. Rinse and dry from the nape over the shoulder down to the side around the buttocks and posterior upper thighs using a long firm stroke. Again, back to the step 23. I-expose ang likod sa patient. Then the entire back should be soaked, rinse, and dry. So, sir, magsabon ako sa iyong likod, ha? Mag-rinse na ko, sir. Okay, magkanto sa iyong likod, sir. This is to stimulate circulation and check for any pressure source or pressure presence. Next is turn the patient back to a supine or dorsal position. This is to return the comfortable position to lower the body care. Next is change the water. Use a clean water for lower body and perineum. Sir, sa kung nakaigon ha, balik ka ha. 1, 2, 3. Sir, pwede na ito ibutang sa side ato ang cancer, ato ang kamot. Comfortable na ba so far, sir? Wala natin na-feel na discomfort. Next is expose the thigh, leg, and foot of the far side and drape a portion of a top sheet around the groin. This is to minimize exposure and protect dignity. Next is flex the knee and spread the bath towel lengthwise under the other leg. Sir, so ako ikaw na expose na kung lang may mga okay. Sir, paliw ko o flex sa ito ang concept ha. Feel. Nalang sa next is wash, rinse, and dry the ankles to knees, then thighs. Pay particular attention to the inguinal and popliteal area. So, sir, magkuhan ko ka. Opo na kita sa umbrella, sir. Next is ayan na pong tie to Putiao. Sir, ayun ha. Repeat the procedure on the near leg. This is to ensure the complete cleaning of both legs. Flex both knees and drape. Okay, sir. Kaliwa po, sir ha. Pato-flex po sa kaliwa, sir. Ako na sir ha. So next is flex both knees and drape. This is to prepare food, care, for burnout area. Assist the patient, assist or help the client to put on the gown and attend to personal hygiene. This is to restore comfort and neat appearance. So since this is a virtual rectum or VRB, I will use whatever is present on the room to use as a hospital gown. Then, I will now add the top linen, the clean top linen for the comfort and warmth for the patient. Next is comb the hair and assist the patient into a comfortable position. This is to promote relaxation and softness. Sir, so ito yung black gown, sir. So ito sa yung black gown. Ano pa, sir, sa yung hospital gown. Sir, comfortable para ba ito so far, sir? Wala ba tayo discomfort or nakuan, sir? Hindi lang ako, sir, ha? Hindi na ka comfortable, sir. Sir, wala yung cook side, sir. Kato itawag mo lahat ng gown, sir, ha? Sir, assume that I have already assisted, helped, and placed the patients on the comfortable position. I will now comb the patient's hair to promote comfort. Sir, masugdan ko, sir, ha? So, now that I have already done combing the patient's hair, I will now assist the patient in the comfortable position. And the comfortable position of the patient, then clean and return used equipments and leave the room in order. This is to maintain cleanliness and prepare for the next use. sir sa imong cooperation sir sa ato ang kuan. So humot na gid kay ka sir no. So maani sa imong misis karon sir. Kuan na gid niya humot na gid kaayo ka. So karon sir kanang magkuan ko sir ha, if na kay mga needed ko sir, pwede ra ka mag-ring sa atong call bell or sa imong call light. Okay. Mag-attend na po din ka dito sir. Okay, thank you sir. Done! Both knees and drape. This is to prepare food care while keeping patient covered. Next is lift the far foot and place it slowly into the basin. This is to soften the skin and dirt for easier cleaning. Roll soap, rinse, and dry thoroughly between the toes. If the basin is big enough, both feet may be washed at the same time. So assume that I have already changed the water earlier. I will now drape the other. Since the basin is large enough for the both feet, I will now drape both feet. This is for easier and much faster than accomplishing the procedure. Sir, buta na ka sir ha. Para mas malinis pa gid ang mga sir at mas fresh pa gid gid ta sir na fresh na gid kayo ta. Next is clean the pubic perineal area. Wash hands afterwards. Sir, isa ko nang ko na sir. So, clean the pubic and perineal area, wash hands afterwards. This is to reduce germs and practice proper hygiene. Assist or help the patient to put on the gown and attend to personal hygiene needs. So, during the pubic area, some patients may not be di nila need mag-help since maulo sila kay ilham ko ng perineal area which is ilahang private part. So if ang patient is able to do so, you can ask the patient to accomplish this procedure. So sir, makaya ba na to ang cancer? Nga magkita yung mag-trato sa ato ang perineal area, sir? Sir? So, patagot ha? Sir, palihan ko sir, ikalamat ko sir. Assume that my patient already washed the perineal area because the patient was able to wash his or her perineal area. Assist the patient, assist or help the client to put on the gown and attend to personal hygiene needs. This is to restore comfort and neat appearance. So since this is a virtual rectum or VRB, I will use whatever is present on the room to use as a hospital gown. Then, I would now add the top linen, the clean top linen for the comfort and warmth for the patient. Next is comb the hair and assist the patient into a comfortable position. This is to promote relaxation and soft sleep.